Even as Manipur reels under violent conflict, farmers in the state are living under immense fear and concern as harvest season approaches. With rising incidents of deliberate attacks on farmers by armed cookies, farmers are worried as they are about to reap the final fruits for their year-long hard work. And amid this condition, security forces have stepped in to ensure that farmers could carry out their harvest activities in a safe and secure environment. SKTV News Chief Reporter Ketrimim Premchand brings to an exclusive report. Let's take a look.
Farmers experience a sense of security and safety when they are protected by the security forces while they are working in their paddy fields.
Koi leibdagi akoi thabak shudu jo koi wakan noi jai tamu yupen jai an moi leram da koi chi thabak se suju roi an moi leibagi koi suju bani to ki lotion dia da lotion bani ai da ma tak je mu no irang la ko ji da ko aki ba ma yaugi mamni chingya me an na konina mona mu kapsa ku yakatra ko bo hato ku gada to gada na ko ki na ko ji me am na ko ji kai haine ko me am ji ko ji me am chin na ko ji ta shaba nga pi je ai thamoi da dia to ki tik kharaw je jo thamu gi to pen jai matun da jo musun irang ji tok bidan na ba am pyo ai no haijari
samana nga ka kana to bu je ko ngai re dum ai ta aki ko yong dan dei tum ko
Such kind of security measures should be extended to other peripheral area of the states to avoid any unwanted incident.
Kudi akoi lau khaw bo khot je sipai na nga ten security tau dan khawi adubu hanagumna security ge yaw dan yam free oina isa ji thabak su bu do karam kan da phangan ga doino amukta sarkar gi maikei de gi amukta phangan biu si haijen
The main concern here is when will farmers have the opportunity to work freely in their fields without the needs of security forces. For SKTV News, this is Ketrimim Premchand, Langmaidong, Kachin District.